Hey guys, and welcome back to the channel. In this video I'm going to show you how you can change your sudo lockout time from the default 15 minutes to a more respectable 30 to 60 minutes. So let's go ahead and open up the terminal here and let's type in the command sudo sudo vis udo visdo. Type in my sudo password, which opens up a note file here. So let's go ahead and arrow down to this line here that says mail bypass. That says mail bad pass. Give a enter here to create a new line in between these two defaults here, and then go ahead and type in defaults tab timestamp underscore timeout equals, and then the time in minutes that you would like to have as the lockout time. So let's say 60 minutes is an hour, 120 is 2 hours, and 0 is every single time. So the default is 15 minutes, but if you want to make it an hour, you can make it an hour. If you want to make it 10 hours, go ahead and make it 10 hours. But once you save this with Control X, let's say Y, enter. Now you'll have sudo access for 60 minutes, and you can go back into that command and you can change these defaults here. So if you no longer want it to be 60 minutes, if you want it to be 6 minutes, if you want it to be 600 minutes, 6,000 minutes, 6 million minutes, whatever you want it to be, you can have that set as the default from going. I hope this video has helped you out. If it has, you can go ahead and give me a like, subscribe to the channel for more content, and if you have any questions, just go ahead and leave them down in the comment section down below. Thanks for joining me today. I'll see you in the next video. Take care. Bye.